Today, I am going to show you exactly how to set up global color styles in Figma consistent branding. Have you ever found yourself endlessly searching for the same colors across your design files? Or perhaps struggling to maintain consistency in your design projects? If so, this video is exactly what you need. We're diving into the process of setting up global color styles in Figma, which will not only streamline your workflow, but also ensure your designs remain cohesive and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to manage all your project's colors effectively, saving you time and reducing frustration. Let's get started by exploring one of Figma's most powerful features, its community resources. The Figma community is like a vast library filled with resources shared by creative professionals just like you. Instead of building a color system from scratch, you can utilize templates and tools that others have generously shared. This approach saves you both time and effort and offers an insightful glimpse into how other designers structure their color palettes. You might even find some inspiration for your projects along the way. To begin, navigate to the Community tab within Figma and head over to the Templates and Tools section. In the search bar, type Global Colors and watch as a variety of templates appear. Take some time to explore and preview a few options. You'll find palettes focusing on accessibility, branding, and more. Choose a template that offers a nice range of neutral shades and vibrant accent colors to ensure flexibility in your designs. Remember, you can always modify your palette later, so there's no need to stress over this decision. Once you've selected a color template that resonates with you, click Duplicate to bring it into your Figma workspace. Depending on the file size, it might take a few moments to load, but once it's ready, you'll see all the color swatches neatly arranged. Now, let's move on to copying this color template. Select the palette components or frames, right-click, and choose Copy. Switch over to your design file and paste them directly onto your canvas. Congratulations, you've just imported a ready-made color palette that can serve as the foundation of your design system. The next step is crucial, transforming these swatches into reusable global color styles, a feature where Figma truly excels in terms of organization. Start by selecting one swatch. Then head over to the right side panel where you'll find the Styles section. Click the plus button to create a new style. When naming your new style, be clear and descriptive. Use names like Primary Blue or Light Gray 100, which will make sense not only to you in the future, but also to any teammates who might work on the project. Next, use the Color Picker tool to select the specific color from your swatch, ensuring you avoid any accidental mismatches. After you create your first color style, continue through your palette, creating a new style for each color. While this might seem repetitive, think of it as laying the groundwork for a more efficient workflow down the line. Don't worry if you can't decide on every color name right now. You can always rename styles as your project evolves. These global color styles will ultimately save you countless clicks and contribute to a smoother design process. And there you have it. With your global color styles set up in Figma, applying them to various elements like text, backgrounds, or buttons is just a couple of clicks away. Any changes you make will automatically update across all instances where that style is used, significantly enhancing your workflow and ensuring your designs remain clean and cohesive. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to set up global color styles in Figma consistent branding. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe so you never miss an update.